Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30349, and this is the City Sports Car. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, these Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing, because I'm doing one of these a day, and have done one of these a day, for the foreseeable future, and the recent past, I guess. Anyway, this is number 131, I think. You can check the number on the video to make sure. But yeah, there's a number of these if you enjoy them. And there's also more on the way, because I plan on doing one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And so, by my count right now, I have at least enough to get, I think I'm going to get close to 200. So, anyway, there's plenty more on the way. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, there are links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, if you just need information about the set, there's a link to Brickset. And Brickset will have the just kind of general information about this. Now, I'm going to do something teeny tiny bit out of order. I'm going to make the stoplight first. So, the stoplight, green and red, and I need the tile with that jumper. All right, a little out of order, but here's the stoplight, which I'm assuming our dude with the sports car is going to probably blow through the stoplight. Alright. So let's see. Yeah, like there's the printing on the body's okay. It's not too bad. And he's got sunglasses because he's apparently a cool guy driving a sports car. And he's a cool guy driving a sports car, needs to get a haircut. Alright. So he definitely does need a haircut. Alright. So let's put together the sports car real quick. You know I've mentioned this before, but I do like the little vehicles. And I've been really liking the city stuff. I don't know why. I mean, like, I just despised the city stuff when I was, like, little. And, you know, it was all about the space sets and like the night sets and that kind of thing. But yeah, I've been really liking the space sets, not the space sets. I've been really liking the city sets since I've been back to Legos. And some of these polybags are actually a lot of fun. Like the city polybags, some of them are really neat. Alright. So we put these on, and then we flip it. And 1x3 and 1x3 and 1x1 and another 1x1. That I completely missed sticking on there. And then this goes on the back. Now I go with the steering wheel, right here, and it covers up our wheels. Alright, so that gets us to there, and then on the front, we're going to sort of give these little L-shaped things a little extra support. They look a little lopsided, don't they? Alright. And like that, like that. And now we're going to put the back part on. Alright, So we're going to put the back part on here. Let me fix this while I'm going to fix this back piece before I actually attach it, just to make it a little easier on me. So now we got that, and we got that, and then we're going to have some brake lights, and brake light, and I'm assuming this is the license plate, and this goes on the top part back here, like so. So it's going to be the back of a car, and so this goes on here now, and that makes it much easier to put on. And then we put a 1x4 across the top, which would have happened right there, and that gets us to there, and that, and now we tackle the front of the car. Alright, so for the front of the car, we have an inexplicably yellow piece and a gray piece, like so. Got that, and I got those two, and then two of the cheese wedges, cheese wedges, whatever. You get the general idea. Those things go right here and right there, and then these two things pop on right here and right here, like so. And then we got the front of, is that right? The front of the car? Yeah. Front of the car right there. And then a 1x2 right there. And like so. And then we just put our dude in the car and pop on the wheels. Not a bad little sports car. These are our extra pieces, by the way. Yeah, it's not too bad. And you got a stoplight. Again, kind of not a bad addition to maybe a little city setting. I don't know. What do y'all think? Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.